This is the IsDB Scholarship. This is a general scholarship for all over the world, the IsDB related country. They have 4 different programs. These are the required documents. You have to make the English or French translation, notary translation for all your documents if it is not in English. Then language proficiency test or TOEFL, IELTS or any other test is required by the university. During the application, you have to provide this TOEFL or IELTS. You can see the full video on my channel. The link is in the description down below. Now I will show you how to apply for the scholarship. Firstly, we have to make an account, so you have to go into this website and then register and simply fill up your basic information. I think there is no problem. And for the religion, you have to choose your Muslim or any other religions because some of the scholarship only applicable for the Muslim students. Now registration is complete and you have to activate your account. So this will send you the activation link and click on that, and then you will have to change your password. After clicking on submit, and you will have to fill the verification code, which will be again sent to your email address. So just copy and then fill it in there. And one thing is that they always ask for this verification code whenever you log in, so you can just remember this device. The second step is you have to update your personal information to check the eligibility of the scholarship. Here you can update your information and you have to first upload the photo. And be careful when choosing the nationality. Once you have done choosing, you cannot change it anymore. And then they ask for the emergency contact and you don't need to fill it. And then go back to home and to apply for a suitable scholarship. And you will see all the program. And then you can click on any of them and you can see your eligibility. So I just check this is for the master program. And it's not applicable because of my country. It's not in the list. And I tried this one. And this is for the least developed country. So it's not also eligible because my country is Myanmar and it's not on the list. And then you can also again try from that. This is for minority Muslim community. So this is eligible for my country. I will show this as an example because this is the undergraduate application. All the required documents of this application are also the same for all other undergraduate programs. All your documents must be translated and notarized in English if it is not in English. If it is already in English, you still need to certify, which means like you have to notarize the copy, original copy, into notarized version. And during the interview, you have to bring all the original certificate. And health certificate is not required during the application, but you have to do it after you got accepted for the scholarship. You can see the detail in my previous video. Okay, let's apply now. Now they will ask for the eligibility for this scholarship. Undergraduate must be under 24 years old. So just do your all the requirements and I click just all yes, and then you have to submit. Then your eligibility it is passed, and then you can proceed. Now this is the main application of the program. So first you have to upload the photo, which is again you have to follow the rules, and then fill in your guardian or emergency contact again, your father or other guardian. And they ask for the monthly salary, so just fill up your father or mother parent salary and then saved. You don't submit it yet. And then for the second part is the education. And this is your high school, like 4 year or 2 years, 3 years, depends on your country. High school GPA, like overall GPA, and you just convert it into the percentage. And then all your basic information. See, it is your certificate must be the minimum is 2021. And then for this one is the final exam of your high school. For example, you have like a national exam for the high school. For every country, there is something like that. So for Myanmar, it's matriculation exam. So just the grades for that exam. And then saved. After that, language proficiency. So This is I filled it already, so I will show you again. So just English or other language. So English is the must one because it is required by the university. So right now it is not required yet, but it will be required after you got selected because of your university. So you can see the notes up there. So if you have it right now, you can upload it. If you don't have it, you can give them later after getting accepted. So for that case, you can just select no. So you don't need to upload it right now. And saved, and then save the draft and go to next. And now you have to fill the university information which you will apply or which you already have it right now. So just select any department. Basically they have only engineering and medicine, but they also have other depending on the university. So I talk about the university selection in my previous video, but basically the scholarship will not select the university for you. You have to make your own. You have to apply the university by yourself. This is different from other Turkiye Burslari scholarship. So you can apply to anywhere or all over the world, but they have their own criteria for the university. So check out my previous video about that. But sometimes if you cannot get the admission, the scholarship will find the university for you. So during the application, they ask for you if you have already got admission or not. If you have it, you can just say yes and fill the necessary information. If you are currently registered, you can say yes. Otherwise, just say no. You can apply the university after getting accepted. And then next is just additional information about your physical situation or other restriction. If you have it, just say yes and you can fill out the detailed information. And then the last part is about it's kind of like letter of intent. Okay, so like they ask for you what you will do after you finish your graduation. So you can check out my letter of intent video and then write the information here. So this is only 300 words. No character, 300 words. So I just this is just an example, and then save it. After that, the final one is that you have to attach all the documents that you filled. All of them must be notarized and translate into English. If it is already English, it still need to be notarized to be a certified true copy. And for the medical one, you don't need to attach it. It's optional. For the high school certificate transcript, it is your 4 years or 2 years, the whole transcript. Okay, and you can also attach your diploma together in this transcript in the same PDF file. And then for the TOEFL IELTS is also optional, but if you choose yes in the previous question, you have to upload it there. Now finally, declaration, just say agree and then just save the draft. Before submission, you can just see your summary here and make sure you download it. If your application summary is correct, you can just click on submit and then it is done. You can still go back to your homepage and then see your application. If you haven't submit yet, you can make the edit here. Just click on open and you can make edit here. That's it. If you have question about the detail of the scholarship, just check out my previous video in my channel. And if you have other question in this application, write it down on my comment section down below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.